Alright, so what we're gonna be doing is drilling and tapping the front diff bolt on this diff to like the 14mm upgrade. So all you do, you drill this straight down, ream it out, and you go in very slow and tap this out straight down. Pretty simple. So we're gonna be doing that. Alright, I got the car jacked up in the air, ready to take this diff out, undo all the axles, drive shaft, and drop this thing out. Hopefully we do it pretty quick. Ta-da! We got the 315 out of the car. It took like 20 minutes, and now I'm gonna take the cover off, reseal this, and then take out the axle stubs, whatever you want to call those things. Throw it in this one. And then all I need to do is get fluid for tomorrow, and then we will be good to go. I got the stubs in. They kind of fought me a little bit. I had to file them down a little bit. And then got the gasket on there, getting it all a little tacky. You know, you want to let it sit for a second, let it get tacky. And then put the cover on. And then hand tighten it. Don't crank them down, just like snug with your hands. And then let it sit for like 30 minutes. I think, I don't know, 30 minutes to an hour, and then you tighten it all the way down. I don't know, who even cares? It's gonna leak anyways. It's an E36, but I'm gonna throw the cover on, just let them snug, probably leave it overnight because I don't have fluid, and then throw it back in the car. Different day. Next day, got some fluid, just some 75-90 cheap gear oil. I'm gonna put it in there, top it off, then throw it in the car and do an oil change, and then take it for a drive and see how fast it is. You know, he's gonna be like a Hellcat. I got the diff back in, took it for a drive. Thing feels pretty good, honestly. It spins second a lot more now, so that's pretty sweet. But other than that, I didn't like notice like that much of a crazy difference. I came from a 315 to 391. That's what a lot of like the NA guys like run is a 315. I mean, not the 315, the 391, just to have more shorter gearing, so you're not like struggling to keep it spinning. But now I got the 391, and tomorrow I'm going drifting, so we'll get to test it out, see how it is. Hopefully be able to use third gear a lot more, because when I used to like try and get into third on the straight, it would just like bog down. It wouldn't really do it or drift. And then I'd just be in like second on limiter the entire time. So hopefully this helps. But we'll see. Yeah. Car's pretty much the same. Been drifting it. Maybe I'll like do more than just in-car clips tomorrow, but I doubt it because I'm awkward. You know. What's that? 391 upgrade in the E36. Pretty sick. Recommend it if you are not driving on the highway, because fifth gear will be like 8,000 fucking going 80, but whatever. It's a drift car, and I got a E36 M3. That's gonna be the street car, like nice car. I don't know. I don't really know what I'm gonna do with it yet, but we'll stick to it.